What's up guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do consider subscribing and welcome to the Star Squad.
Kama ni loku chinja kisi baadaye, kama ni bei fika.
So in today's video I am going to be showing you how to do your own distressed faux locks, and what I'm using is 2 packs of reggae braid and 2 packs of passion twist. And yeah, it's the crochet method and it's a very easy method. I hope you get to understand and maybe apply it, and I hope it's helpful. What else do you need to do? You can also use reggae locks. They are easier to work with because they have a loop where it's easier for you to crochet, but they are not as long as I wanted my hair to be, so I decided to go for reggae braid. And it's 18 inches long, but when the braids are new it's 20 inches long, so I cut mine, but your preference. And I got this beautiful hair accessories. I think you can see them, the earrings and these curry shells. God, yes, I got them from Ndesah Creations. They're based in Mombasa, but they do deliver countrywide. And I can also do your hair if you can't do it yourself, but I am in Mombasa, so if you're in Mombasa and you want to do distressed for locks and you can't do it yourself, holla at your girl. I'm going to do it for you at a very fair price. And yeah, I hope the video helps you. Don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers sooner. So what I did was divide my hair into 4 sections that I thought would be equal, but they were not. But anyway, we move. Then I divided my hair into smaller pieces and braided them. I used styling gel to hold the hairs down there together, yeah, so that they don't come out while I was braiding. Yeah, and basically that's what I did for every section of hair so that it would be easier for me to crochet. So I cut like 1 inch or 1.5 inches of the reggae braid, I mean, and then you just take your crochet and put it inside your braid. Then go ahead and crochet your reggae braid in the lock, in the braid, I mean. Then after that, you're going to measure the smaller side to be the same size as the length of your hair. Then you unravel the that shorter side and roll it over the reggae braid and your hair. That just acts as a cover up for your hair, yeah, so that your natural hair is not seen. Then you take your passion twist braid. I don't know if it's a braid, but take your passion twist and divide it into 2 pieces. Yeah, when you just pull it, it usually unravels itself. So you just yeah, divide it into 2 pieces. Then take one smaller end, one shorter end, and roll it on top of your braid, of your reggae braid and hair, till where your natural hair is. That just acts as a method to, lock it up. Then go ahead and roll the other longer side on top of your braid. It doesn't have to be perfect, it can be as shaggy as possible because the point is to have a distressed lock. So you can always add the second piece and roll it until you reach the end of your braid. You repeat the same thing until you've covered your reggae braid to the end. Then just rub it together in your hands so that it secures itself, and it's not going to unravel, and boom, you have your distressed lock.